If you're feeling trapped in a relationship with a narcissist, it might seem impossible to break free. However, with the right strategies, you can successfully distance yourself and begin to heal. Here are 14 steps to help you emotionally detach from a narcissist. 1. Understand it's not your fault. Recognize that the issues in the relationship are not because of you. Narcissists often manipulate you into believing you're to blame for their behavior, but this isn't true. 2. Accept they won't change. Narcissists might promise to change when they feel you're about to leave. Accepting that they won't truly change makes it easier to detach and move on. 3. See the wounds behind their behavior. Remember that beneath their harsh exterior, narcissists are deeply wounded individuals, often compensating for their own feelings of inadequacy rooted in childhood. 4. Plan your exit. If you live with a narcissist, make a concrete plan for leaving. Organize your finances and find a new place to live. If you live separately, plan to change your contact information to cut ties completely. 5. Cut off all contact. To truly detach, you need to cut off all communication. Change your phone number, block their calls, and avoid any form of contact. 6. Leave social media. Disconnect from social media to avoid seeing updates about the narcissist that might reignite your feelings or tempt you to re-engage. 7. Lean on your support network. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Confide in them about your decision to leave the relationship and lean on them for encouragement. 8. Recognize your strengths. Remember that you have good qualities that attracted the narcissist in the first place. Acknowledge your strengths to rebuild your self-esteem. 9. Set clear boundaries. Learn to set and maintain boundaries. Decide what behavior you will no longer tolerate, and stick to these limits firmly. 10. Stop trying to make them happy. Understand that their happiness is not your responsibility. Give yourself permission to stop trying to meet their demands. 11. Maintain your dignity. Resist the urge to retaliate or engage in arguments. Keeping your composure makes it easier to leave without escalating the situation. 12. Let go of their approval. Stop seeking their approval. Once you let go of the need for their validation, it becomes easier to emotionally detach. 13. Focus on self-growth. Invest in your personal development. Pursue new goals, explore passions, and prioritize activities that enhance your well-being. 14. Seek professional help. Consider working with a therapist experienced in narcissistic abuse. Professional guidance can provide valuable support and coping strategies to navigate your journey to freedom. By following these steps, you can begin to detach emotionally from a narcissist and start your path to healing and rediscovering your true self. Until next time, I will see you in my next video.